Welcome! This is Abby,
and joy.
and for our episode 17 entitled How to Handle Negative People in Your Life in General.
That is correct. So, Dai,
Hmm.
how do you consider a person to be negative?
In my own understanding lang, I consider a person or an individual negative if they always have a thing to say about everything, they don't listen to
Mm,
you. Example, oh, you look good today. And then they will always divert it into, huh? What good today? There is no good in every day. I said, every time you say positive things, they always deal with negative things. They always convert it to negative experiences in life. I don't know why. Why do some individual kay mo exist o ginana, no? I cannot, and they always argue. Like everything you have to say, if they will reply, it's as if they're always angry
mm.
and they cannot shut their mouth. They are always on the right. They're always right and they cannot go wrong. That's how I considered a person negative. They don't listen. Ikaw, Dai, how about you?
For me, Dai, no, a person that is so negative, it can be rooted, it could be rooted in their childhood or how they were brought up. It's the influence of the environment, isn't it?
Yep.
So, like person who's negative, as you mentioned, which is correct, they cannot handle criticism, and they are also afraid to take a risk. Kay maybe they're afraid of failures if they are if they are going to take a risk, and they also like to bring people down or even like kana bang mukontra dayon if you say something positive, or like for example kanang if you wanted to say, oh, let's go, for example if you're planning to travel, oh, let's go somewhere, this is nice, blah blah blah, I've heard good things about this place, mukontra dayon na, ay, dili uy kanang nanagingon sa ako nga dili na maayo nga lugar, people are not nice, nga na bitaw murag mo kontra na dayon or mo against na dayon sa imong giistorya ba, instead of being open-minded, like instead of trying, kay you haven't even experienced yet yourself, but you're making a quick judgment already, ana bitaw. So, Dai, how do you, or do you have any experiences in people that are thinking negatively?
Before answering that question, Dai, sakto gid ba na imong giingon no nga nagi mga people nga mo kontra gyud no? Isad ka kasabot sa ilang mga pangutok, and then I agree gyud definitely to you. Also, yeah, in regards to experience, hands-on experience, yeah, I had a couple of bad experiences about negative people that I don't want to dwell. I cannot imagine that they are kind of ganing to the extreme nga negativity that they really wanted to, kanang past experiences that I cannot forget is when they make an account about me, a fake account on a social media just because of, kaning mga laki-laki lagi, no? Di man na ako sala nga gwapa ko, no? As in, I didn't imagine that they are though naagi mga tao na nihimo og ingon ana nga extreme ba, like they will make fake accounts of you, they will post anything negative just to ruin your reputation and just to make comments, and then ilahara ba yung mga friends ang mo comment ana gani, and my god, I said, oh my gosh, I'm not even a celebrity. As if mura jud
Mm-mm-mm.
kog celebrity, no? Also, when I went here in the UK, although I am so grateful that I was able to be here kay not all, no? But ambot, I can feel na negative siya in a way when I first started because, example, sa kanang comment lang daan nga as a Filipino, 'di ba? We all know that Filipino people in general, ila jud i-generalize na hardworking jud ka, like you are really a strong, independent people, like dili gid ka matakdan og mental health, dili kayo open sa atoa ang mental health. And then when I experience it myself, and I don't intend to, there was a ward sister or a deputy, or senior nurse na siya. And then she just commented, "Huh? You have anxiety? Wala sa mga Pinoy yan, no? Hindi uso ang anxiety." I said to myself, "Oh my God." I said, uso kanang negative kayo kay kanang mga tao nga mo stereotype gani. Like, duh, I'm still human being. I didn't choose to experience something like this, but since I already am in this situation, I need to go out and be able to be stronger, no? So, dili ka mo stereotype nga, kay abig Pilipino ko, dili ko pwede mag-anxiety, dili ko pwede mabuang-buang o mag-depress, no? Wow.
Mm-mm.
Pag sure diha jay, ana jud ko, kaingon ko, what? Mo exist gyud ay ni, no? Naa gyud ay ingon ani nga mga tao, no? Because before, I haven't experienced anything about it because I didn't experience any mental health issues before. But as we go along the way, we don't know what problems are we facing. Dili man ta ka-predict og problems gud nato. But as much as possible, atong isolve atong problems kung unsay present problems nato. And then, mga negative comments, ingon ana ba? So, mo jud
Mm.
daghan ko mga na-experience, but mo ba akong I say the most significant that I can remember that made me who I am today and made me even stronger. Ikaw, Dai. Same question.
Back to you.
Back to you.
Similar, I mean, same experiences there, no? There are always people, not all, but some people are like to make negative comments. So even like say something negatively, that sometimes it might hurt you, but they might not like say it to you intentionally. It could be unintentional, like comments ba. Like for example, if like if I know someone, like someone I am close with, I share like my vision of like I wanted to have a business or put up a business back in the Philippines, and then he would make a side comment or comment like, ah, that's a bad business, that's not a good business, that will not profit in the long run. So I just try to, you know, say it to him like the business will not be successful if you will not try. Like dili man tayo negosyo like in the first attempt you will be successful. You will try and try, isn't it? Until na your business will blossom in the long run. And even like saying something so negatively about that person's character as well. Like I'm a type of person that if that person is really close to me, I'm very like protective. And I always like make it to the point that I'll be honest and frank about him. Like don't say like that because you don't know the person deeply. You're not that close to say that kind of comment. You should get to know the person first before saying so negative about his character. That's for instance. So there are like in our day to day life there you always encounter people who think negatively or even like having like comments. It could be unintentional or unintentional like comments against the person, even against you. It's the matter of how you accept it. It's the matter of how you handle it. If you handle it in a negative way, so it will affect you badly. But if you know if you will not like take it as well in a negative way, then somewhat it will not affect you because you know your character, you know who you are as a person, isn't it?
Correct. Sakto gyud ka day. Like the comments we can always face, sakto gyud imong giingon nga day-to-day basis na agay mga tao nga unintentional ug intentional nga negative gyud. And that's their nature already. That's
Mm,
how we are as an individual. So from the as what you said, Dai, dealing with negative people, how do you deal with them? Like, unsa may methods nimo?
Mm.
How do you keep up with them? Ana gani.
Yeah, so personally, if the person is close to me, I'm usually honest and direct on how I felt. Like I try to listen to them. I try to see their perspective, as well as I try to let them see my perspective as well. It's not harmful to think positively and to see good things in spite, difficult situation, because that's where your silver lining, isn't it? No matter how hard life can be, if you think negatively about the situation or the circumstances that you're facing, ikaw ra gid ang mapundod, you'll end up being a loser. But if you see the light in every or positive things in every dark situation or difficult situation, naagid siya ko anday, naagid siya marabag fruit of your good labor, kumbaga, quote unquote. And I mean, just not to blame each other, because if you're blaming someone, that's how they are, isn't it? You cannot change them in one click of a finger and think and that their thought process will change. That's how they are. And if you felt like it's not helping you in a positive way, then set boundaries, like have a distance, and just allow people who have positive energy that will get into your life, because you don't wanna be like in a situation where in the long run, like for example, you are friends with this person and you've been friends for such a long time, but still that person doesn't change in spite you having a good conversation about each other, and still in spite of everything, still that person is so negative, then it's time to move forward, because you don't want to be entangled with someone who's so negative, and then it will just drain you out, it will just drain your energy, and in the long run it can influence as well your thought process, isn't it? How about you, Dai?
Day, well said. Clap, clap, clap. Pia Wurzbach, ikaw ba yan? Charing.
Sure, Dai.
Catriona, cat, cat, cat. Bito, Day, I agree to your sentiments, but for me, how I deal with it, before when I was quite young, I always, kanang feel ako ha, personally speaking, I'm very judgmental. Like, for example, if I think that her or his standards are not on my standard, example lang ha, comment. Ugawan man ni siya, uy. Kay kabalo ka, limpiada ka, or you are very neat individual. But as I go along the way, as I matured and, my perspective in life kanang ni-grow gani, especially if I already immersed with diverse people like here in the UK. I learned to be more anong tawag ni more understanding, like I neglect that habit of being judgmental to being more understanding in such a way that different people have different upbringings. You cannot apply your own standard to other people because that's how they brought up by their families. It doesn't mean that your standard are good and then ilang standard kay bati. It's just that how they are. Okay, we all have we were raised differently by our parents. We have different experiences that we have different experiences that mold us as an individual. So mao na akong method karon on how I handle negative people. Probably they have some luggages or baggages in the past that they are still carrying until now that they cannot let go. So okay. So as long as I won't for me if dili ta close kaayo, I won't I won't bark on you. But if you yourself will comment on my family and you don't even know me by heart or even in a personal or deeper level, diha gyud ta magtigiday. I will really Mubark gyud ko nimo kay you don't know me in the first place and you would comment anything harsh on my family itself. Aw, Mumaldita jud ko jay kay at the end of the day I didn't wala ko nang hilabot nimo so ayaw sad pang hilabot nako inana na akong concept karon and as much as possible if ganahan ka makig friends nako prangka gyud ko prangka in such a way na dili pud ta maldita nga in approach no prangkahan ti ka nga day o murag I think you're already too harsh for this or I think you're simple as I know you can relate ka nang uy day murag tsaka lagi imong gisulog karon kung maka-take ka ana nga comment nako, then yes, pwede ta magka-friends. But if you cannot take that kind of simple things that I will just advise onto you, not because to hurt you, but because I'm just being frank. Because ako no, ganahan na dyan ko unsay best para nimo. Like, I wanted you to look good, to feel good about yourself, because it's really a good thing that someone compliments you rather than kanang makita ka sa laing tao nga negative ba. Mo jud na ganahan ko ana kay I've been through insecurities in my life. I've been through that comments in my life that I think niya nagi ko sa kong self. If ever I will be your friend, I'll be the best friend that kana ganing mo compliment nimo, mo prangka nimo. It's all up to you. But karon if I think that that person or that friend is negative kaayo, mo let go gyud ko ana kay I don't deserve their energy and they don't deserve my positive energy. Kapoy kaayo. I won't invest in you anymore because it won't help me in the long run. So inana akong
Mm.
method karon.
That's true then. And I mean, all in all, it comes with maturity as well, isn't it? And growth. You don't want to be forever stuck in that situation where you are surrounded with, people who are so negative about in life in general. Because you want to be more productive in life, even in your present and in the future. Kung in your past, you were so negative about everything, and then comes with maturity, you've grown, you've matured, and you've become more positive, and you realize like, oh, it's not bad to think positive at all in the long run, because when you are positive about something else, about something, it means you're grasping for hope. Mm,
Yeah. And then it's a good thing that despite you acknowledge that you are negative at in the past and you change it into something more fruitful in your life. And then that's in that way you have a purpose gani in your life and it brings you so much happiness because ang imo magonggi cultivate sa imong self is more on positivity and I always believe in that. The more you cultivate yourself into positivity, the more blessings and positive outcomes in your life because you see opportunities as something that is not bad. You see opportunities as something new. If you have a problem, you see it as a challenge that you can overcome. So inana ba, ma-divert yun nimo siya.
mm,
It's all about the mindset thing and it's all about how you really know yourself better and you are butang talaga ng more understanding ka sa mga tao ba. Kay kapoy na
mm,
bitaw
mm.
kaayo kung di ka mo sabot sa mga negative nga mga tao.
So, what are our learnings or takeaway in this episode?
For me, in a simpler way lang, no, if you think they bring negativity to your life, let go of those people as they won't serve you any good in your life. And I've already experienced that one. So, nilet go na jud ko anang ang mga tao. I also learned to say no to things that brings me negativity, may it be pertain to people, like my career, my relationship, and experiences. As we are only passerby, kanang kuan na ta ba, passengers rata in this life. Let's cultivate our lives with gratitude, positivity, and enjoy while we can. After all, life is to be enjoyed, di ba?
Mm,
Ikaw,
that's
Day.
true, guys.
Ikaw,
That's
Day.
so true, guys. To add on lang, no, I've mentioned this earlier on. Try to understand where they are coming from. It might be rooted what they are, why they are so negative. It could be from their childhood, from their past experiences, and it carry on na ba until their present life. And because sometimes it's a reality, sometimes people don't even realize that they are so negative until someone actually say it to them, like, "Oh, you're like thinking so negatively." Just approach them or talk to them in a calmly manner that they're able to see your perspective. Because sometimes they're so used to it and no one even bothered to say something to them. Then they'll be thinking like, oh, this is just normal. And if you tried your best not to talk to them and it doesn't really work, then as you've mentioned earlier, it's time to distance yourself because you don't want to have a positive, you don't want to have a negative energy in your life. You want positivity in your life. And sometimes it's a reality, no nga. I'm not perfect, you're not perfect. Sometimes we think negative or worst in every situation, isn't it? But you just have to brush it off and always remind yourself that there is a brighter side of every dark situation or positive side in every dark or difficult situation or circumstances that we are facing. You just have to meditate and then manifest that positive or great things will happen in your life. It's more about like your positive thoughts. You just have to remind yourself. Sometimes you think it's a reality. Sometimes I myself, sometimes I'm in my head, I'm thinking negative, but I just have to like, no, it's not gonna happen. I have to be positive. I have to remind myself to be positive. And just be, as you mentioned, which is really, really true and really important. Just be open-minded, be understanding, have a lot of patience, and as well as be grateful. Whether it's a difficult situation or a positive situation, just be grateful for what you have and be grateful for the blessings as well that you receive.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly. Even there's a song like sa South Border, 'di ba? There's a rainbow always after the rain. So, ano lang yun eh.
that's true. That is true. That's a good song actually. I like that song.
Intro
So bye.
please. Sample please.
May bayad. May bayad. May talent
Okay.
fee.
Wow. Nang ukorta.
Back to you.
Wow. Back to me. Nang sa kwarta. Asula.
So, Dai, at the end of our episode, we always have quote for the day, and I love this quote, Dai. So, this is a Bisaya version. Ang negatibo nga mga huna-huna, nagdani sa negatibo nga mga butang sa kinabuhi. Apan, ang positibo nga mga huna-huna, nagdani sa positibo nga mga butang sa kinabuhi.
In English, negative thoughts attract negative things in life, but positive thoughts attracts positive things in life. Correct.
Yeah, that's
Ayo,
true. That is
guys.
so true. Correct. Yeah, that is so true.
Yeah. So
So,
we hope you enjoyed today's podcast and learn a thing or two to become the best version of yourself.
as we always say, every day is a learning.
This is Abby,
And Joy, we are truly.
Maka Proud. Till the next one.
See you soon. Salamat sa mga taga-suporta.
Maka
Pagkami mo.
Proud.
Trolling Macaproud.